Senior Sekafa Challenge Cup, unable to keep his header down, and that ball went over. What a cross it was. Oscar Wamalwa and the coach there was not happy with the way they were defending, but they had a response. They came out guns blazing also, but unable to get something out of it. Clifton Miheso clipping that ball wide, and Freya Francis unable to give a final pass, and out it went for a goal kick. In a game that had fewer chances and far apart, it was left to both sides, to try and work out their chances. And that man there, Francis Afriye, constantly was knocking at the door of Ulinzi, but Ulinzi stood tall, and they came out with their own attack. And that man there, John Mbugwa, John Juguna, with a left foot shot there after a good layoff from Daniel Waweru, could not beat goalkeeper Boniface Olwach, who went down really well to gather the ball. And from a long throw by Geoffrey Ochieng, that was a chance for Gor Mahia, and the Ulinzi defense scrambled the ball away with Clifford Mieso, knowing that his first touch really let him down. He should have had the first touch into the net, but then goalkeeper recovers. The Ulinzi just concedes a corner from that, from which Gor Mahia did not have anything from it. But they were not done yet. Gor Mahia with a good cross from Boniface Omondi, good header from Francis Amfrie, but it lacked the firepower. It had the precision, but lacked the firepower. Good cross from Boniface Omondi.